But I love it. It's definitely giving what it needs to give. What's up, Dash Squad? So your girl is back with another video. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in forever, but that's neither here nor there. So if you are new to the Dash Squad, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. So I have another hair review for you guys. This is my first time trying this company. It's called Sunber. So they sent us over a wet and wavy unit. Y'all know I love me some wet and wavy hair. It is color, so I'm gonna surprise you guys and show you what you probably have already seen by the thumbnail, but let's jump right into this. They sent us over some nice goodies, so I'm gonna share them with you. So they sent us over a wig cap. Looks like a bandana, so a headscarf, some lashes, looks like a bonnet, a wig band to make sure our wigs stay in place. I'm using this today. Something to store our wig in with their logo. And I think this is a makeup brush, but I'm not sure. So let's get right into this unit. It's the color for me and the length.
All single lights, now put your hands up in the club, just pop, doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip, cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me, don't pay him any attention. Never cried my tears, kids, 3 good years, kids can't be mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see, like we want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
channel, you know my baby hairs always confuse me. I don't know why, but this hair is definitely, it's giving, y'all, for sure. I'm going to make sure I have the correct length in the description box, so make sure you guys check out the description box below. But it's definitely giving. So before I wet this hair, I want to show you guys how it looks without wetting it first. So this is one style that I would wear. Now, I really don't want to wet this hair. Like, I'm loving it. So I'm going to put in some clips to show you guys how I would style this hair. Like, I did a bun, just a small one, and I did you'll see, I'm going to make sure I add in the clip somewhere on the screen, but I'm going to wet this hair just so I can show you guys. But I don't really want to wet it. Like, I like the hair just big and just like this. So I'm gonna wet it just a little bit, but I love it. It's definitely giving what it needs to give. So let me wet it really quickly, just so I can show you guys what it looks like wet.
All single ladies, now put your hands up in the club, just pop up. I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip, and now you want a trip, 'cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me. Don't pay him any attention. You cry my tears, it's 3 good years. You can't be mad at me.
This is the hair at its wet state, so I didn't want to wet it too much. But I wanted you guys to see the difference from how it looks when it's wet. So I would definitely recommend this hair. The density is amazing. The color is amazing. And these curls are so bomb. So make sure you check out the description box for any coupon codes, the actual direct link to this unit, and continue watching the Dash Squad. Until next time.
All single ladies, now put your hands up.